In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Robinhood desktop app. Here's the straight truth up front so you don't waste time. There isn't a real downloadable Robinhood desktop app for Windows or Mac. That option simply doesn't exist. Robinhood is built around two official experiences: the mobile app for Android and iPhone, and a full-featured web version you use in a browser. If you've seen sites promising a desktop installer, that's not the real thing. So what should you do instead? The best and official way to use Robinhood on a computer is through your web browser. Open Chrome, Edge, or Safari, go to Robinhood.com, log into your account, and start trading like you normally would. This is effectively the desktop version, just delivered through the web. It's secure, kept up to date automatically, and you get the same core functionality without installing anything. If you want something that feels more like a dedicated trading terminal, Robinhood also offers a web-based platform called Robinhood Legend. You access it from the Robinhood website, and it's designed for a more advanced, desktop-style workflow. You'll find robust charts, technical indicators, and straightforward order entry, all in a layout that resembles a traditional trading app. There's no download required here either. It runs right in your browser, which means you get quick updates and the convenience of using it anywhere you can log in. Now, if you prefer the vibe of an app icon on your desktop, there's a quick trick that makes the web version behave like one using Google Chrome. First, open Robinhood in Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Choose Cast, Save, and Share, then select Create Shortcut. Check the box that says Open as Window and click Create. From now on, Robinhood will open in its own window and appear like a standalone app, giving you a cleaner, distraction-free experience without an actual installer. Before we wrap up, an important warning. Don't download anything labeled Robinhood desktop app from random websites. Those downloads are often fake, can be unsafe, and may try to steal your information. Stick to the official website for desktop use and the Play Store or App Store for mobile. That's it. While there's no traditional desktop installer, you have everything you need: the official web experience, the advanced Legend platform, and a simple Chrome shortcut to make it feel like an app. Follow these options and you'll get a reliable, secure setup on your computer without risking your account or your device.